Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 10, statistics. Please pay your attention on board. Measures of central tendency. What do you mean by measure of central tendency? For given data, a single value of the variable representing the entire data which describes the characteristics of the data is called an average of the data. An average is called a measure of central tendency. Average is known as a measure of a central tendency. There are three types of average: mean, median and mode. Formulas for mean. On mean there are three: direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Direct method, this formula; shortcut method, this one; and step deviation, this. These formulas you have to remember. By looking the formula and following the solution, the method will be clear. Please pay your attention on the solution. Sums from ML Agrawal, exercise 21.1, sum number 25. The mean of the following frequency distribution is this, and the sum of the frequencies is this. Find the value of P and Q. If you follow one sum, then any sum from this exercise easily you can do. Pay your attention. Here, solution by step deviation method. Three methods you have to understand, because in question, if the method is mentioned, then that particular method you have to follow. If method is not mentioned, then you have liberty to do any method. And here I am doing in step deviation method. Here assume mean. Assume mean, that means how many classes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, middle one will be the assume mean. Out of 6, there are 2 middle. Between these two, any one we may take as assume mean. Here I have taken these classes as assume mean, that is 40 plus 60 divided by 2 equal to 50. This is assume mean. And width of each class, that is C, equal to 20. 0 to 20, that is difference between the upper and lower, that is 20. Now this table we have to do, that is classes. Class mark UI equal to YI by A by C, frequency, and YI into UI. Classes you have to write in this way. Class mark, that is mean value, that is 0 plus 20 divided by 2, 20 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 30. In this way we have to find out the class mark. After finding class marks, then we have to calculate this, that is by putting the value, that is Y, value of Y, that is 10, value of A, that is 50, and width of the class, that is 20. This is divided by 20. By calculation it is coming minus 2. In this way, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 is coming. Then frequency you will get in the question, you have to write this. Then we have to calculate this, that is 7 minus 20, that is F, that is frequency, that is 7, and the value of Y1, that is minus 2. By writing this and by calculation it is coming minus 14. In this way we are getting minus P, 0, Q, 16 and 15. Then we have to take the total, that is frequency 32 plus P plus Q, and this addition, that is 17 minus P plus Q. Then we have to find out the value of P and Q. Here, since the sum of the frequencies is given 50, that is given, So therefore 32 plus P plus Q equal to 50. By solving we are getting this equation and it is denoting by 1. And mean equal to, by putting the formula, this formula, that is A plus C into sigma Fi ui divided by sigma Fi. By writing the formula, then we have to put the relevant values. After putting the relevant values and by calculation, we are getting another equation, that is minus P plus Q equal to 2 and denoting by 2. Then by solving this 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we are getting Q equal to 10 and putting the value of Q in equation 1, we are getting value of P equal to 8. Hence P equal to 8 and Q equal to 10. Sum is completed. You have to remember the formula and then the process. Please pay your attention on the solution. Okay, thank you everybody.